Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your EV fleet charger in ChargeLab, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting ChargeLab's official website. Click on the login button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Fleet Management section. Select Charger Registration from the drop-down menu. You will now see the charger registration form. Fill out the required fields with accurate information. This includes charger location, type, and model. Specify the number of chargers you intend to register. Upload any necessary documents, such as installation certificates. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once verified, click on the Submit button. You will see a confirmation message indicating your submission was successful. Wait for an email from ChargeLab regarding the status of your registration. If approved, you will receive further instructions to activate your chargers. If there are any issues, you will also be notified via email. Follow any additional prompts or instructions provided in the email. Keep track of your registration status in the Fleet Management section. Your EV fleet charger is now registered successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.